Hello my beautiful YouTube family. It is so good for you to stop by this channel once again. I really do appreciate it. Now today I will be showing you how I made my floral arrangement for my buffet table. As I mentioned on my last video, I make sure that I show you that. And also I'm going to show you the simplicity of decorating for a cozy winter living room refresh for 2025. If you want to see how I did it, keep watching. Okay, thank you for hanging in here with me and deciding to go ahead on and watch this video till the end. Now, to all of my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. I really do appreciate you guys. Thanks. Okay, so we are going to go ahead on into the video, and this is where I am making my arrangement for my buffet. Okay, here I am making the arrangement for my buffet table, and this was the older vase, and I spray painted it black to match my decor. And I ordered me some artificial cedar sprigs offline, and they smell like cedar, really. When I pulled them out of the bag, I was surprised at the little scent that was on them, not knowing how long it's gonna last, but I'm just enjoying the scent. But I'm crisscrossing these, and I'm putting some like on one side, and I take it and lean it towards the other side just to give it some fullness. And I have everything put together for you, and this is very simple. I like my home to be simple, and these are just some ideas where I am using some olive green, I'm using black, some of the browns, some of the tans, and I'm using a little bit of organic by using the pine cones and bringing them into my home. So I have been using those for a few months now, and I will continue to use those up until maybe early or the beginning of spring. Okay, and here's my buffet, and here is my arrangement that I made for my buffet. And look at it, it is gorgeous. I'm loving it, loving the texture of these cedar sprigs here. They smell so good, so good. And right along here, guys, I picked this up. This was after Christmas, and they was on sale, so I'm saying like, hey, I can use those reindeers. They was like 70% off, and I wanted to use my LED candles, but guess what? No battery for my remote control. I have two remote control, but I can't find the other one that had batteries. Okay, and here is the other candle that my grandchildren picked up for me, and I'm getting ready to burn this so I can have a little coziness going on this side on my buffet, because my LED candles, they are giving me like a bluish pink vibe, and I don't want to use blue and pink because those are not my color scheme right now. Okay, so I had to go ahead on and light this candle right here so I can have that coziness. And right along here, guys, I brought in some more coziness. This is my, what is this? My Norfolk branches. I picked those up online as well. And here go my little cozy corner right here on my LED display. I used a lot of gold, and my picture coming in with that brown, black, and the green there, and also on my couch. Now these are new pillow covers, so what I have done is just cover my pillows that was on my couch, and I kept the green olive to match my curtains, so I'm going to be using those green olive covers for a while. Okay, So you will see those from time to time. And over here in this little cozy corner, I used a lot of golds as well. And here I used the black, and this is another new piece that I picked up. Now guys, these new pieces that I'm showing you, they are part of my birthday presents or my Christmas presents from my family. So some of them gave me gift cards, they gave me money. I got t-shirts from my niece Keisha and her family. So these are just gifts. All the new pieces that you are seeing here, they are gifts. Okay, and this little man head right there, I don't know his name, okay? But anyway, that's another piece. And right here, I picked up this candle here from Roses, the pumpkin pistachio. I did not know it smelled that well. And I went back trying to get me some more. They was all gone. But yeah, this is the new piece here that I picked up. And I'm loving it. This is my little shush man. Like shh. But anyway, these books here, I showed these in a previous video, but yes, they are pretty fairly new as well. Okay, and here's the other side of my console, and let's go down to the bottom here where I brought in some more organics, and this is giving my space down here that beautiful vibe. And I'm also just using one piece, decor piece down there, and my love seat, just simple. Here is another one of my Christmas gifts, came from my son. This is my robot, and this is my little buddy here. She cleans, she helps me clean, keep my floor clean, and I love it, love it. And I will be showing you my daughter gifts that she gave me for my birthday and some for Christmas in my upcoming video. But look at that little guy. I love it because she goes underneath my couch and she finds every little sprig of dust and she pick it up for me. And I love it for that. And I'll be showing you some more of my gifts probably in the next minute in this video. And I received so many gifts, guys, from my family, and I couldn't put them all in one video. But I appreciate my family for everything that they have done for me, how they showed me love on my birthday and for Christmas. Yes, so I hope that you guys are enjoying this video so far. And if you are enjoying it, just give me a thumbs up. That's all I'm asking for at this particular time. And at the end, you can decide if you have not joined. You can do so at that time. Okay, so here is one of my birthday gifts. Came from my family. And this is an 88-inch gooseneck selfie. And here's another one of my gifts, guys. This is for my plants. And I'm loving this little doozy. I turned the light off so you guys can get a better look at it. But it has 4 arms on it and it's flexible. I got quite a few plants here and it's covering it. And it has a timer on it with the remote control. I can set it for 4, 8, or 12 hours. So right now I'm going to set it for 8 hours and it automatically turns off. And I'm loving my gifts. And my son-in-law brought over his mom plant that he received when his mom passed away, transitioned on, and he want me to bring it back to life. So as you can see, the little sprigs are coming up, the little fresh leaves, and it's looking so healthy. So I'm going to bring this back to life for my son-in-law in memory of his mom. So we're going to try to keep that plant alive. Yes, and she'll be okay. That plant will be okay. So I'm just going to turn that in. But yes, I'm loving my growth plant. Now this is called the Full Spectrum. It's 80 LED. And it's an indoor plant growth light with adjustable 15 to 60 inch tripod and 4 flex head for healthy plants development. Now guys, as you notice, I'm not calling no name where I'm getting these items from, because a lot of these companies have been getting free advertising from me. So I am not going to say where I got my products from. Okay, so we'll leave it at that. Before I move on, here go some t-shirts that my niece Keisha Richardson made for me for my birthday, and I am loving them. Stepping into my birthday with God's grace and mercy. How cute. And shout out to Deandra Cooper for giving me my birthday and my Christmas present. Sweet smelling candles and some other gifts that she gave me in a gift bag. Thank you, Deandra. Thank you, Deandra. Alright guys, so at this time, if you have not subscribed, I ask that you take this time out and do me a favor. If you like this video, this is something that you would like to see in the future, my videos, just give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and give me a notification. Just hit the notification bell and you will be reminded each time when I upload another video. So guys, at this time, stay blessed in Jesus' name, and I'm asking that you just continue to pray, because prayer answers all things. Okay, be blessed. Bye bye.